Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Um, I just ordered this product yesterday, right? After everybody was like, "Oh, you can get this on Visible for free with a trade-in," right? So, okay, so how does this all? How do you get this Moto E6 for free, or any selective device on Visible for free? You have to let them know that you have an old device and it's working. All right, so I got this old Moto E2. All right, it's a working device. All right, I put the IME number in, and they accepted it, and I qualified to get this for free on Visible. So you get the Visible SIM card and you get the device, right? So I want to explain that first, how the process works to get a Moto E or a Samsung phone for free on Visible website. You have to put the IME number in from the old device that you want to trade in, and then they would ship this out to you. Now, I ordered this yesterday and it came today. So I want to throw that out there. That's how fast it came. So no further ado, we're going to go ahead and check out the specs. This is the Moto E6. All right, hopefully it's unlocked. I don't know. Somebody tell me. It's a Qualcomm processor in it. All right, you go to Motorola.com. You want to find out more information about this device, or Visible.com to find out more information about the device. So here's the product itself. All right, we're gonna put that to the side. Okay, got Hello Moto. Okay, so they got a little disclaimer here. Attention, battery not installed. Please install battery included in box before use. So there you go. So it has a removable battery. All right, and you get the usual instructions and manuals. You get the, I don't know if this is turbocharged. It looks like a regular adapter. All right, from Motorola. You get the cable, power. All right, and last thing is the Motorola battery. All right, so here we are. Let's unbox it or unwrap it. Okay, this is what the product looks like. Not too bad. Not too bad, right? Okay, it's plasticky. All right, you gotta remember it's plasticky. Okay, so let me go ahead and unbox this. Pop the back of it off. Okay. Here we go. Got to put the battery in. Now, it might not be charged up all the way, but let's see if it gets some power. You insert, this is how you insert the battery. For those that don't know how to insert batteries in phones. All right. You see the prongs? Now you got to match the prongs like that. Oh, my bad. Slide in there and insert. Bam. Okay. And this is the SIM card. Luckily, we don't need the pin. We can just insert the SIM. Okay. Let me pop that out. Bam. Boom. Got that. All right. Let me see if I get it right the first time. Yeah. Okay. So you put it in the bottom tray. You put it in the bottom tray right here, and you get a micro SD card slot. So you can put the SD card slot in there. All right. So we're going to slide it in. All right. It's in. Now we're going to put the case back over it. The battery case covering. All right. Make sure you pop it. Snaps in place. All right. And it does have a headphone jack. Apple, Samsung, Google. Motorola killing it, man. I don't care what nobody say. All right. Let's see if we got any juice. Oh, we got juice. Okay. So why is it powering on? I'm going to show you quick comparisons with the Nokia 3.1. I'll be doing a giveaway too. So I'm going to give away the Nokia 3.1. That's only running on AT&T. So you got AT&T SIM. It will work in the Nokia 3.1. All right. Okay. Here we go. Let's boot up. So quick comparison. Nokia 3.1 is a little taller, a little bigger than this one. All right. It's a little bigger than the Moto E6. Okay. It's going to show you quick comparisons. All right. Let's get this going. No, we're going to skip all that. Continue. It's trying to connect. Take a few moments. Oh wow, looks like it's already giving me LTE. So it's look like the SIM card is already activated. Which is, hey, I'm not mad at that. Okay, that's taking a little too long. Let's see. Okay, skip, continue. I guess it's checking for updates. All right, guys, it's checking for updates. Installing updates. So yeah, you could get this on Visible. Like I said, you could either get it for 99 bucks, or if you got like an old device, like if you wanted to trade in your Nokia phone or old Samsung phone or old Motorola phone that you got, put the IM number in there. They just want to make sure it's a legit number, and make sure your old device is paid off. So, because if it's not, you're not gonna get it back. Just let you know. So I have to turn in the device that I wanted to trade in to keep this $0, the Moto E6 for $0. And after that, you can you can use it. So, all right, so here we go. Oh, it's doing some other stuff. I'm just let it sit. Okay, I'm just let it sit, do its thing. Anything else I want to talk about? All right, let's skip that. All right, skip. Go ahead. Skip. Skip anyway. Okay. Now, some things you're probably not gonna like about it: no fingerprint sensor, no Face ID, and it's not USB Type C. On the bottom, there's no USB Type C. It's only okay. So here we are. Guys. It's very stock. You get the FM radio. You get Facebook pre-installed. You get your usual Google, applications, Google Duo. You get the messaging app, So, oh wow, even the Moto E6 comes with spam protection. Cool, sweet. That's some of the new features coming with Android messages. I want to see if it got RCS. It probably does. I think it does have RCS. Let me see something else. Yeah, I think it has RCS. If anybody knows if the Moto E6 has RCS, let me know. But like I said, it's pretty stock. I mean, no bloatware. The only bloatware is the Facebook app. That's it. Yeah, it's 2 gigs of RAM. I think 16 gigs onboard storage, plus the SD card slot. I believe this is Android 9. Let me check and make sure this is Android 9 or not. Go to the About section. System. Okay. Vans. System updates. Okay, it's got wow, it's getting October security patch. Wow. Impressive. Wow. Like no Android 10, of course. I mean, this is a budget phone. I mean, is this better than the Moto G6? No. Is it better than the Pixel 3a? No. Is it better than the S10 Plus? No. Okay, so this is like basically a throwaway phone, a food stamp phone. I mean, hey, this would be another way to give somebody another Christmas present. If you just using it to give it to somebody, I say do it. Okay, so yeah, it's super clean, guys. You want to see the camera? Camera probably ain't that. It's probably like 8 megapixels and 5 megapixels. Okay, so wow, they got all this manual mode stuff going on. That might be the old one. Wow, this one even has YouTube live feature. Come on now. This free phone got all that. Come on, man. It's crazy. This is crazy. So yeah, man. Let me know y'all thoughts about the Moto E6. I mean, it's a food stamp phone, a trap phone, throwaway phone you put in the glove department. This is not going to be my daily driver. I'll tell you that right now. I will not be rocking this as a daily driver, but just to test out Visible and to see how it runs on the Moto E6. Now, that'd be a full review coming later on my YouTube channel. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Would you sign up to Visible website just to get the Moto E6 for free, or a Samsung phone for free, and trade in an old device that you're not using that still turns on and everything like that? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is just a really minor setup update unboxing video. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the phone now. Oh, my bad. I did that wrong. Let me put the Visible. Bam. Bam. All right, there we go. Thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. Hold on, let me get the thumbnail in. Yeah, thumbnail. Thumbnail.